Alright, so we've got some corroded wires to take care of on this machine. It's a zero-turn machine. And I want to show you some of the corrosion that I've been dealing with. So inside this connector here, I'll put my flashlight up, you can see inside of that connector there, on that back side, it's got corrosion. And then on the inside, and I've blown a lot of it out with the air gun, but you can see how it's kind of getting crusty. And then this connector here, you can see that it looks as though it's been partially melted, which I think it has. And then this connector up here is no better. And then right here, so I believe this is the voltage regulator. I came across this wire here, broken. It looks like it's partially melted right there. So if you stay tuned, I'll show you what I'm going to do to fix that. I'm not sure about this regulator, if this thing's actually still available. I'll have to look and see. But we'll get through these wires here, and I'll see if I can get this machine to crank on its own with the key switch, rather than having to put a jumper wire from the key switch to the starter relay. Anyway, I'm gonna ship you this quick little video here. It's not very long, it's kind of one of those shorts, but I'll put something together for you tomorrow or the next day, and we'll go from there. And for now, there's a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.